The human body relies on the kidneys to filter waste, balance fluids, regulate blood pressure, and produce essential hormones. Every drop of blood in our body passes through them, ensuring toxins are flushed out through urine. But when these vital organs fail, the body begins to suffer. Chronic kidney disease is a silent killer affecting millions worldwide. In India, the numbers are rising at an alarming rate. The most common causes diabetes and high blood pressure. But lifestyle factors such as obesity, smoking, excessive painkiller use, and genetic conditions can lead to kidney damage. The warning signs often go unnoticed: fatigue, swelling, loss of appetite, changes in urination, and high blood pressure. Many only realize the damage when it's too late. Early detection can be life saving. Routine blood and urine tests, along with imaging scans, help doctors identify kidney diseases before it worsens. But what happens when kidney function deteriorates beyond repair? For many, dialysis becomes the only way to survive. This process mimics kidney function, filtering toxins from the blood. But dialysis is not a cure, it's only a temporary solution. A kidney transplant offers the best chance at a normal life. A healthy kidney, either from a living or diseased donor, is placed into the patient's body to take over lost functions. When kidney fails, a transplant offers hope. A healthy kidney is placed in the recipient's lower abdomen, connected to blood vessels and the bladder. Damaged kidneys usually remain unless removal is necessary. A perfect match is crucial for survival. Blood type, tissue compatibility, and antibody tests determine success. Screening for infections and kidney function ensures both donor and recipient are fit for surgery. Relatives often step forward as living donors, but approval is required for unrelated donors. Deceased donor kidneys retrieved from brain dead patients offer another chance, but shortages leave many waiting. Hope lies in registries like Noto, where patients await a match. Paired kidney exchanges help incompatible donors swap kidneys, saving lives. But for thousands, the wait is a race against time. Not everyone qualifies for a transplant. Patients with end stage kidney failure, severe infections, or genetic disorders like polycystic kidney disease may require a new kidney to survive. But transplantation comes with risks: organ rejection, infections, and lifelong immunosuppressive drugs. Ethical concerns also surround the process, with illegal organ trade still a harsh reality. Beyond medical risks, the financial burden is overwhelming. A kidney transplant in India costs 5 lakh to 10 lakh rupees, with post surgery care adding to the expenses. For many, this life saving treatment remains out of reach. For those who do receive a transplant, life changes forever. Regular checkups, strict medication schedules, and lifestyle modifications become part of daily life. But with care, many go on to live healthy, fulfilling lives. India performed over 13,000 kidney transplants in 2023, according to Noto. While the numbers are growing, they fall far short of the demand. Thousands still wait for a donor, sometimes in vain. The biggest challenge: a severe shortage of donors. While living donors play a crucial role, deceased donor transplants remain low due to lack of awareness and complex legal processes. The gap between demand and supply continues to cost lives. Prevention, however, is in our hands. A healthy lifestyle, regular medical checkups, staying hydrated, and managing conditions like diabetes and hypertension can protect kidney health.